Everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Rahul and today we are going to learn about information and technology. Okay, let's get started. First of all, in this video we are going to learn about these topics. Number 1, what is information technology? Number 2, brief history of IT. Number 3, IT industry and its role in the modern world, and the last, conclusion. Okay, let's go. Now just pause the video and start thinking, what do you understand by the term information and technology? Okay, don't worry, if you know, good, otherwise I am with you. Information and technology refers to the use of computers, laptop, smartphone, software to manage, process, store and transmit information. It means IT help us to manage our data, process our data and store our data and many more. Okay, now we move toward uses. IT is used in various sectors such as healthcare, businesses, education, entertainment, even in government. Now the question arises, how IT help them all. Okay, let's understand it by having one example. In the old days, our school, hospitals kept our data physically, such as in notebook or copy, which made a lot of difficulty while finding a specific student data, or there was also a fear of tearing, burning or eaten by rats, etc. To prevent all these problems, computer help them to protect their useful data by preserving them into the computers so they can easily access them anytime in just a second. Now it seems that you have understood. If still not, then in simple terms, IT is the use of technology to manage information and improve business process. Okay, now done. Let's move ahead. History of IT. Here I included four stages. The first one is early development, the second one is the computer age, and the third one is rise of personal computer, and the last, internet age. Okay, let's talk about early development. Abacus was the earliest computer. The abacus is a mechanical device which is used for calculation. It was used by merchants, bankers, and accountants to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, now the computer age. In this period, the first electronics computer was invented, the ENIAC, which stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was designed and built during World War II to perform complex calculation quickly and accurately. After the war, ENIAC continued to be used for scientific and engineering calculations, and it was used to perform calculation for the design of the first hydrogen bomb. Okay, now the rise of personal computers. Before the rise of personal computers, computers were large, expensive machines that were primarily used by large organizations and government agencies. The first personal computers were designed for individual use and were affordable for individual and small businesses to purchase. Okay, now the last stage, the internet age. The internet age began in the 1990s that allows people to communicate, share information and access a wide range of digital content. The internet has also led to the development of other technology such as mobile computing, cloud computing and social media. Okay, now we are about to complete our last topic, IT industry's role in the modern world. Okay, let's get start. Now here again I included 4 points. Creating job opportunities, enabling innovations, increasing connectivity, enhancing efficiency. Okay, let's understand it one by one. First one, creating job opportunities. IT has created many job opportunities across a wide range of industries in software development, cybersecurity, data analysis, digital marketing, web development, etc. These are the few examples of many job opportunities created by IT. Okay, now enabling innovation. IT has enabled innovations in many different ways by digital transformation, cloud computing. Okay, let's understand cloud computing. Cloud computing has made it possible for organizations to access computing resources without the need to invest in expensive hardware and software. And Internet of Things. These are the examples of enabling innovations. And one mode is artificial intelligence, which also comes under the enabling innovations. Okay, our third point is increasing connectivity. IT has played a major role in increasing connectivity across the globe through internet, mobile devices, social media, internet of things, etc. Now the fourth one is enhancing efficiency. IT has enhanced efficiency in many different ways. Here are some ways. Okay, let's understand. Automation. Automation which enabled organization to automate process and reduce the need of manual labor. Okay. Second is collaboration. IT has enabled people to collaborate regardless of their location. Also in communication and also in cloud computing. And we have reached to the conclusion. The use of information and technology has revolutionized the way we do things in the modern world. From communication to commerce, the ability to store, access and analyze data has become a critical part of our daily lives. I hope this video helped you in understanding IT, history of IT and its role. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling.